Now see how to show the result in HFSS. Return loss plot, VSWR plot, 3D polar plot, 3D rectangular plot, Smith chart, and radiation pattern. E field plot, H flat plot, vector plot, and finally we will see how to animate the radiation of an antenna, and we will see how much radiation efficiency of an antenna we can see that from animating it, and how does it works. For creating a far field report, first we will assign a radiation, theta and pi range. For far field report, first we will decide their range. Radiation efficiency or gain in dB. From here we can set it from all frequencies and for one specific frequency. The range for radiation we have selected previously for phi and theta. We can also select a single angle. First we will see for all angles. This is the report for all angles. Similarly, we can check from here any specific angle if we want to check the radiation. Only this portion here it is showing. Now we will see how to field overlay plots or form. First of all, we will see which antenna part we want to see their field, for E field, for H field. For that purpose, first we select from here. First we will select the patch, and second lump port. After that, from here we can set magnitude of E field, vector of E field, magnitude of H field, vector of H field. In this way you can see the vector field, the radiation direction, the directions of radiation for E field. Similarly, we can also check for vector position of radiating of H field. Now let's see how to animate this. For that purpose, just go to that field, E field or H field you want to animate. For E field, right click and press animate. It will take some time of processing, and after that it will show how the antenna is radiating. And for colors you can see that how much it is radiating. You can see the efficiency of this radiation of antenna. You can change the speed of animation from here, this dialog box. From here you can stop it at specific angle. If you want to observe the phase angle at which it is, how much radiating, in which direction it is radiating, you can see from here. You can see from 0 degree to 60 degree it is radiating on this side, and after that you will see it is radiating on another side. How we can insert How we can insert the 3D polar plot radiation on the design. Just right click and go to radiation field. From here you can observe that the red color show the most radiating position or side, and rest of color slowly less radiation, and this portion shows it is not radiating on this portion. Similarly, we will see in other antenna types and different feeding method, and we will see how we can improve these radiations, how we can increase the return losses, and how we can minimize the insertion losses. Because in circuit point of view, return losses are basically a loss, but in antenna point of view, the return loss is good. As much higher return losses, antenna will get radiate more and more. Because the return loss 0 means antenna is not radiating. This is mesh plot of patch.